Studies have shown that additional consumption of fiber, approximately 14 grams a day, can decrease up to 10% in overall calorie intake and on the weight.
Welcome to Body Pro Coach. I am Mehak and that's Praveen, and welcome to our channel.
So if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do subscribe and hit the bell button that you get the intimation whenever we go live or whenever we have a new video coming up for you. Alright, so today what we got for you is about coconut flour pancakes.
Let's get the science behind it. According to the Australian Heart Foundation, a general normal human being needs to consume minimum 30 grams of fiber, whereas we consume around 18 to 25 grams of fiber on a day.
Fiber has a lot of health benefits. One of the most important one is weight loss, digestion, helps you regulate the blood sugar, at the same time protects you against the diabetics.
Let's get started. The ingredients what we require are, we're going to take 2 whole eggs, okay, I'm going to pour some, that's about 3 tablespoons of coconut flour.
So coconut flour has got a lot of fiber, which we spoke about it right now. The good thing about that, fiber does not get digested.
Then we're going to use 2 tablespoons of cream cheese.
So which means that it does not give you any calories. At the same time, it gets you satiety. So it's like a sponge, it absorbs water. So it gives you a lot of satiety.
I have 1 tablespoon of stevia. That's about half teaspoon of baking powder. That's about less than a teaspoon of vanilla. And last I have heavy cream, 2 tablespoons. So now we're going to quickly blend all the ingredients. And it's done. Alright, so our mixture is done for pancake. It looks nice and thick.
Yes.
So I'm going to quickly pour it into a bowl now. Yeah, and we're good to go and make it over the pan now. Let's go. You could do the last touch up, you could add maple syrup over the same. And the pancakes are good to go. So our pancakes are ready. These are really healthy pancakes. Why? Because we have made them with coconut flour, and coconut flour is one of the finest flour because it's really high amount of soluble and insoluble, both the fiber, which you do not even find in most of the vegetables. And compared to any other flour, it's comparatively really less in carbohydrate content also.
So it makes a great option for the breakfast as well as for the main course. Please do write in the comment section about what kind of video that you're looking forward for. We have got about 3 videos that's on HIIT, that's about Train to Look Good Naked program. We got videos on information and on diet, the kind of food that we make. So thank you so much for watching. We'll see you in the next video.
Stay tuned. Thank you.